మ్యూట్.
తలిపేసేకు
మరి
మేము ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని వింటాం.
వినిపిస్తుంది. ఫ్యాన్ ఆపేసింది కదా ఎలాగో.
అవును అలా చూడద్దా?
ఏసీ వేసానమ్మా, ఉక్క పట్టేస్తుంది.
చూస్తాం అయిందా ఇటు
వినపట్ల నాకు వస్తుంది పడగా మాట్లాడి స్టార్ట్
Hi to all.
Hi, Surya. Morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Hi, everybody. All well, all well. Thanks for good work. That's happening. Kanchanrao garu, namaskaram. Welcome to Chaitrika, Sai Dilip Raj, Siri, Surya, Ujjwala. All are joining. Welcome to the children also.
Jagan has sent a video of her daughter. Barlagar, can you hear me? Hi, Sri.
Hello, sir.
Very good looking, Sri.
Thank you, sir.
So, can you hear me, Sri, clearly?
Yes,
Okay, very nice.
She's looking very beautiful. Very nice child.
thank you, sir.
Sri, you are using laptop.
Yes, sir.
So, can you just laptop ni kuddiga pai kannu? We can't see your head clearly. Okay. Kuddiga down cheyochu. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. Now it's fine. Thank you.
సిల్వర్స్ కూడా మన సిల్వర్స్ లో కూడా చాలా మంది అలా అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు.
సార్ మనం పిల్లలు కాబట్టి చెప్పొచ్చు, పెద్దవాళ్ళకి చెప్పకూడదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ డోంట్ టెల్ బిగ్ పీపుల్. it may take another turn. So పిల్లలు కాబట్టి we can say that.
కృష్ణ ఫోన్ చేసింది, డౌట్ ఉందంటే ఆ డౌట్ క్లారిఫై చేసాము. నేమ్స్ ఏమి డూప్లికేట్ కాలేదు. మేము ఏదైతే ఆర్డర్ ఈ యొక్క అజెండాలో ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చామో ఆ ప్రకారం వెళ్ళిపోండి అని చెప్పాం.
There is a catch here that order lo velte we may have to switch off and switch on the screen sharing. So I recommend to go with whatever we are supposed to share recordings in one go.
అలాగే ఏం పర్లేదు.
Who is Ujjwala? Hi Ujjwala.
Hi, sir.
Ujjwala, you logged in from two devices. You have to log out from one device. Otherwise, there will be echo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Now you are using laptop, right? Or mobile?
Mobile, sir.
Okay, keep it somewhere. Otherwise, it will be your photo will be shaking all the time. Keep it in a place.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Kanchan Ragar, good morning, sir.
Morning, Surya garu.
everybody.
Madam Krishna, good morning.
Morning,
Hi,
Surya.
Surya. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
Morning,
Christine.
sir. Morning, sir.
మార్నింగ్ ప్రదీప్. మార్నింగ్.
Hi, hi, Barla.
Good morning, Dr. Barla.
Hi,
Hi,
Kanchan.
Good morning, everybody.
కంచన్ గారు గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
Good morning, sir.
మా సీనియర్ కాలేజీలో.
Good morning, Barla garu.
బాగున్నారా సార్?
బాగున్నాం.
పిల్లల పాటలు ఇవాళ పాఠాలు కాకుండా పాటలు ఇవాళ.
Parents, if you tell the names of the parents, you can recognize them.
I think Christine will do that.
చెప్తారు.
Christine will do that before
many
they
children
perform, I think.
No, sir, I don't know some names.
Oh, you don't have? Then the parents only have to tell.
Children introduce themselves. Some children are introducing themselves as per the templates which they have sent.
Okay.
So
okay.
maybe.
Sir, kids will introduce themselves, sir, before singing.
Very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Very good.
That will also save time, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir. Madam Krishna, can you hear my voice clearly? Because I am going to share the screen. I just want to check my bandwidth.
Yes,
Is it
yes,
okay?
Surya. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Surya, we may wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah, please wait, sir. I'm also not.
ఇవాళ రత్న మేడం రాలేదండి. సో కంచన్ గారు.
కమింగ్ మేడం రాలేదని అంటున్నారు.
ఒక రోజు.
Are you hearing, Barla?
నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం.
రత్న మేడం లేరేమని అడుగుతున్నాను మిమ్మల్ని.
Undaru.
response from our silvers is not that great in terms of participation.
Yeah, only 2-3, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's nice.
Mm.
They're missing a chance. So it's okay.
I thought at least the parents of the children will be there. So with that we'll get 10 into 10 children will get 20 parents. So totally we'll have 30. That's what I thought.
They will be
Sir,
there.
because sir, parents are there, but because they cannot log in from 2 devices to avoid the echo,
Oh,
number
okay,
of
okay,
devices appearing here is less, sir. Otherwise, parents are
No,
there.
no, what Surya meant, sir, was that participation from the silvers is less. So we have from different schools, yeah. But I think it is, but I mean, the silvers only who made it happen, no? Getting them.
Okay, now 15, madam. I think we can start. But I have a request, Madam Christina. We have 2 participants. They sent their videos, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So 2 participants, you may advise me to play in one go.
Okay.
If you follow the schedule, I have to stop screen sharing again and have to start again.
Oh, so who are the 2 now? One is Dhanvi.
And another is Snigdha.
Now Dhanvi is daughter of
Granddaughter
daughter.
of Niranjan. Granddaughter.
Granddaughter of
Granddaughter.
Mr.
Bhakta
Saranya's
Niranjan.
daughter. Saranya's daughter.
Sharanya's daughter. Madam దగ్గర అన్ని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లో.
శరణ్య మా దగ్గర పెరిగిందండి ఆడ.
అవును.
So Dharani is granddaughter of Bhakta Niranjan, correct?
Maithili.
So that is one recorded, and
Snigdha Varanasi is recorded. I am sending you one
Pranati
list.
is daughter of Surya.
Yes.
Oh, Surya's daughter.
Okay.
Only 2 members are.
Snigdha, where is she coming? Where is her name? Snigdha is coming. So after, so what we'll do is after Dhanvi we'll have Snigdha.
Yes, madam.
And then we'll continue with the others. Okay.
Yes,
Is
madam.
it
That's what.
is it Dhanvi or is it Dharani?
Dhanvi. Dhanvi.
Dhanvi.
Okay.
DI. Dhanvi. Another name of Lakshmi. God Lakshmi.
Okay.
They have sent 3 videos. Due to time limitation, we are playing only one video of 5 minutes. Other 2 videos are I will share on WhatsApp group.
Karthik.
Dhanvi, sorry, Surya.
Yes,
Where
madam.
the middle ones? The 3 came at one time, no? The center one.
Madam, 1 minute. I'll
Yeah.
mute. What was your question, madam?
No, for from Snigdha, we got 3, na? 3
No,
videos.
one video.
Na?
One video from
One.
Snigdha, 3 videos
Okay.
from
Dhanvi.
Dhanvi. We'll
Okay,
play
Dhanvi,
only one
the
video of
the
Dhanvi.
center one, the second one. Play the second one.
I will play, madam. One video, first video I selected, it is for 5 minutes. I'll play that.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
Thanks.
I think you can start, madam.
She has to introduce herself when she comes. Pranati, you're looking matured.
Dr. Barla, Mr.
She has to
Doble,
talk and
can we start? How many participants? 17. I mean, how many?
Yes, madam, you can start.
17 connected devices.
Yeah, correct.
So more number because parents are
The number
behind,
given
so
here
they
is
have not-
participants.
The actual number could be 25. We don't know because parents have not entered. So that number will not take, but actual entered is 17 as of now.
So we go ahead, Dr. Barla.
Please, please.
A very
Go
good
ahead.
morning to our lovely children. Ladies and gentlemen, yet another first of its kind, a children's talent show on our Bhadrachalam. Oh God, what happened? Can you all see me?
Yes, yes, very much.
Yes,
Okay.
madam, we can.
Yet another first of its kind children's talent show on our Bhadrachalam Silvers Zoom session. Isn't that wonderful? A special thanks to all the parents who took time to prepare our children. And thanks to our children to participate and entertain us on this lovely, pleasant morning. Can we give them a big round of applause? I extend a very warm welcome to our participants, Mr. Pradeep Dhoble, Dr. Barla, and all the other Silvers and their family members. We have a lot of entertainment lined up here. So, and it's a feast of music and dance by our budding artists. Our first participant, D. Sai Dilip Rajkumar, who's in the 10th standard from St. Lawrence High School. And he'll give us a film song. Where are you? Please introduce yourself, children, and give us your song or dance, whatever. Are you there, D. Sai Dilip Rajkumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
My name is Sai Dilip Rajkumar. I'm grandson of Mr. Chalapati Rao and son of D.V. Shivkumar. I'm in class 10, studying in St. Lawrence High School, Mumbai. Today I'm going to play guitar. Here we go. జామురాతిరి జాబిలమ్మ జోల పాడన ఇలా జోరు గాలిలో జాజికొమ్మ జారణీయకే కలా వయారి వాలు కళ్ళలోనా వరాల వెండి పూలవాన స్వరాల జామురాతిరి జాబిలమ్మ జోల పాడన ఇలా नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए छूकर मेरे मन को किया तुमने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लग प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तुमने क्या इशारा बदला लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तुम क्या इशारा. Thank you, ma'am.
Fantastic. Unmute. Christine, you're on mute.
Sai, wonderful. That was beautiful. We loved it. And what lovely songs you chose. I would now leave it open for our participants for 2 minutes. Anybody can unmute yourself, and after every participant we are having, the people on the show can give their comments, like Mr. Doble and all. Please go ahead.
Can we see the parents?
Yeah, can we see the parents, and can we see Sai, where are you? You're our
He's
future
there, but
singer, Sai.
He's put off his video.
Yeah, he went on mute also.
Yeah.
Sai, wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Compliments to you and your parents as well. And I know this is only a glimpse that you have shown to us. So we look forward to have a full song session with you, because not only you're playing nice guitar, you're singing also very well.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
We would like to see your parents, Sai. Are they there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
అమ్మ నాన్న పక్కన ఉన్నారా సాయి?
Yeah, hi. Morning to all.
నమస్కారం అండి.
Yeah.
Wonderful boy.
I am Sai's father, and
తాతగారు కూడా ఉన్నారు.
Namaste to all.
We have Chalapati garu also on the line.
yeah.
Oh, he's there. Oh, good.
He's there.
Hi, Chalapati.
Compliments to parents and grandparents.
So who is behind the talent among the parents or grandparents?
It's our father.
Father. So we need a performance from you as well, Shiva.
I'll definitely do that.
Okay. Keep that in mind.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Anybody else would like to say something to the Sai? Yes, please go ahead.
Krishna, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
What I liked in Sai's performance is the rhythm, exactly as it was in that original track. Sai has been able to maintain the rhythm of all the numbers that he has sung, and also the feelings which he has expressed at every gamak, at every gamakam. That was at the end of each word, the expression that he was able to demonstrate is the first quality of an upcoming superstar. So I'm sure Sai is going to become a superstar in future. All the best, Sai. God bless you, and compliments to parents and grandparents.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Compliments, Sai, and we look forward to a full session from you. Okay.
And you want to join Bollywood, please contact Mr. Jogarao. Joga can take you to Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan won't help in singing.
I know, but he can influence.
Sai, you have done a wonderful
Oh, that was.
I'm very happy the way you sang and the way you played the guitar. I only have one little, suggestion. One of my ex-colleagues in ITC, his son is running a rock band in Bombay. That guy is wonderful. He's already on YouTube and given a lot of concerts. And I'll put you on to him in Bombay if you are interested. And he's already doing a wonderful job. He's studying in UK, but then now because of Corona,
I cannot hear Jogarao sir very clearly. Is it the case with others also?
No, we can hear everybody. Only Mr. Jogara.
Sai, can you hear me now?
I can hear you, sir.
You are doing wonderfully well.
Thank you very much, sir.
guitar and music talent. I have a good contact in Bombay who is ex-colleague of mine. His son is a...
Sir, you're not clear. I think you should be a little louder.
Loudest here among the lot.
There is some network issue, I believe.
Anyway, he's saying he can connect you to a band in Bombay. That's basically what it is.
I want to.
Yeah. So Joga, he'll contact you.
Thanks, Sai.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
I like your simplicity, Sai.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
that's where to go. Okay,
Thank you.
excellent, excellent. Thank you so much. We'll go ahead now. We have D. Sai Sri Varshini. She's from the 3rd standard. You're going to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead. Sri Varshini.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is Sai Sri Varshini Banditi. I'm the granddaughter of B. Chalapati Rao, Mill Mechanical. I am studying in 4th class, Hyderabad. I'm going to present 2 songs. First one is Hindi and second one is Telugu. Ma'am, can I start?
Please go
Yes,
ahead.
go ahead. Go ahead.
आपके सर में सबर की तैयारी किच के निशाने हुए माटी आज सर में सबर की तैयारी किच के निशाने हुए माटी ज्यादा उम्मीद मत रख सड़िया ज्यादा उम्मीद मत रख सड़िया तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे याद भर जा उंगलियां पे सुड़ी तो टांगे रखे बारे मेरा नखरा है तलवार भर जा उंगलियां पे सुड़ी तो टांगे रखे बारे मेरा नखरा है तलवार भर जा मेरी तलवार यंडे तक लग हड़िया मेरे को बड़े तक कट हड़िया आज तेरा प्लान मेरे मुड़ जाए तेरे याचुरा तुझी कली हड़िया रहना मुझ पे मार छोड़ेगा रहना मुझ पे मार छोड़ेगा तू जला सा दिल तेरे राह भरता दिया पे सुड़ी तो टांगे रखे बारे मेरा नखरा ये दिल तलवार भरता दिया पे सुड़ी तो टांगे रखे बारे मेरा नखरा ये दिल तलवार भरता मैंने चुरिया बतू बंदासी काची काची के निशाने कभी नासी मैं चुरिया बतू बंदासी काची काची के निशाने कभी नासी आजा मेरे बारे एक बार न सड़िए मेरे बारे एक बार न सड़िए मैंने पीने के परफॉर्मेंस स्टार भरगा गबरू में सिरे में चिट्टा मचना है तेरा नखरा ये दिख तलवार भरगा गबरू में सिरे में चिट्टा मचना है तेरा नखरा ये दिख तलवार भरगा मुड़िया तुड़ी के टंगरा के बारे मेरा नखरा ये दिख तलवार भरगा मुड़िया तुड़ी के टंगरा के बारे में नखरा ये दिख तलवार भरगा Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, wow, rockstar. Yeah, look forward to your next one.
Okay, ma'am. Next one is Telugu, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
One minute, ma'am.
Sure, sure.
बोले कभी ఎదురు రాని నాకు కలలు చూడరావే కథలు లేని కాలం విరాగి ప్రీతి కథలు లేని కాలం విరాగి ప్రీతి కరుగము విడగా బరువుగా సాగే बोले कभी ना తలుపులన్నీ తెరచి పెంచిన తలుపులన్న మదిలో దాచి వేసినాను పాపమింకనే ఓపలేను స్వామి పాపమింకనేను ఓపలేను స్వామి కరుణను వేలగరావే నీవు లేక వీణ పలుకలేనన్నది నీవు రాక రాదా నిలువలేనన్నది నీవు లేక వీణ. Thank you, ma'am.
Fantastic. Oh my God, you're really fantastic. You chose one Hindi song which is latest, and you chose a Telugu song which is one all-time favorite, an old song, beautiful.
Thank you,
Oh,
ma'am.
wow. And your confidence, you're going places, dear.
Thank
And I
you.
can't believe you're in the third. Is that true?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm coming to fourth, ma'am.
You're going to the fourth now. Oh my, fantastic. We loved it. It was beautiful. And even now, as big as we are, we don't know how to coordinate with the, if you put a music and then want to coordinate and sing with karaoke, it's called, na? That's what you're doing. So super, simply super. You're singing with the track, you're able to keep the track or whatever. My God. Really fantastic. It's open now to others to please. Mr. Doble, please go ahead, and then Dr. Barla and all the rest, whoever would like to say something about
wanted to
Varshini.
ask Varshini, how many times you practice this song?
4 or 5 times, sir.
That's all. Perfect coordination. That means you have that flair for the music, Otherwise, it's difficult. If you just by practicing 3-4 times to do it with so much of perfection in tune with the music, with the track. Fantastic. Well done. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
వర్షిని చాలా బాగా పాడావమ్మా.
Thank you, sir.
పర్టికులర్ గా నాకు నచ్చింది ఏంటంటే వాట్ ఐ లైక్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఇన్ ద సాంగ్. చాలా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి పాడినారు. అండ్ యూ టు ద రిథమ్, ది తాళం చక్కగా యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ. అండ్ యువర్ రెండరింగ్ ఇస్ సో గుడ్. జాజి పూలు నీకై రోజు రోజు పూసే పూసి పూసి పాపం సొమ్మసిల్లిపోయే. అది చాలా బాగా అన్నారు. యూ హ్యావ్ రియలీ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ ఇట్ సో వెల్. మై చైల్డ్హుడ్ సాంగ్ అండ్ ఐ లైక్డ్ ఇట్. ఐ యూస్ టు సింగ్ ఇట్ సో మచ్. యూ బ్రాట్ మై మెమరీస్ బ్యాక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. What are your parents' names? My parents' names చెప్పు.
My mother name is Rajeshwari Dandeti. My father name is DBS Suresh Kumar.
Suresh Kumar garu, Rajeshwari madam, compliments to you. The child will become a great artist. What is your future goal?
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello. Great. Compliments to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Let us encourage the child. We will encourage.
Sure, sir, sure.
మన platform, once in a while we will conduct these programs, and
Can
children
always-
can use our
Yeah.
platform,
Yes.
express their this thing. It will be a training platform for them also, but it will not be frequent. Once in a while, whenever time permits, we will keep conducting. There is a tremendous response from BTS. 164 applications came. Out
Yeah.
of 164 applications, these few children have come forward now, and they are doing so well. We are so happy for this. God bless you, Nana.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Varshini, fantastic, Varshini. You're going places, and you know what is Varshini's future goals?
Ma'am,
Can you tell
become a
them?
singer,
Yes.
ma'am.
Singer, okay. Singer and a scientist. That's what I heard. Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh my God, you have real big goals. Very nice. God bless you. And may you reach all your goals as a singer, and more than anything, you expressed yourself so well, dear. So much of confidence, you know, very, very beautiful. Thank you so much, Varshini. It was wonderful having you on the show. And all the best, and we look forward when in our next shows, you must be there, okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am,
can
I
we
will be
go-
there.
God bless, God bless. We'll go ahead. We have now D. Chayatrika from Geetam University. Yeah, she will introduce herself.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is Chaitrika, granddaughter of Chalpati Rao Garu and Vimla Devi, and daughter of Sudhavani Garu and Prakash Garu. So I would like to present two songs. One is from Telugu song and one is in Hindi song.
Thank you. Please go ahead.
నీ కళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు, ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు. నీ కళ్ళకి కావలి కాస్తాయే కాటుకల నా కలలు, నువ్వు నులుముతుంటే ఎర్రగా కంది చిందే నీ సెగలు. నా ఊపిరి గాలికి ఉయ్యాలలుగుతూ ఉంటే ముంగురులు, నువ్వు నెట్టేస్తే ఎలా నిట్టుచవాటే నిష్ఠురపు విలవిలలు. సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. మల్లెల మాసమా మంజుల హాసమా, ప్రతి మలుపులోన ఎదురు పడిన వన్నెల వనమా, విరిసిన పించమా విరుల ప్రపంచమా. ఎన్నెన్ని వన్నె చిన్నెలంటే ఎన్నెల వశమా, అరె నాగాలే తగిలినా నా నీడే తరిమినా, ఉలకవా పలకవా భామా. ఎన్నెంతో బతిమాలి ఇంతే నా అంగన, మదిని మీటు మధురమైన మనవిని వినుమా. సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. నీ కళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు, ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు. నీ కళ్ళకి కావలి కాస్తాయే కాటుకల నా కలలు, నువ్వు నులుముతుంటే ఎర్రగా కందిచ్చిందే నీ సెగలు. And here we go with the next song. मंजिले रुसवा है, खोया है रास्ता, आए ले जाए इतनी सी इल्तिजा, ये मेरी जमानत है, मुझको हीरा दे दे, कसमें देवा दे दे, मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे, दिल को ठिकाने दे, ना ये बहाने दे, ख्वाबों की बारिशों को मौसम के पैमाने दे, अपने करम कीन कर दाए, कर दे इधर भी तो निगाहे, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं यारा। वक्त भी ठहरा है, कैसे क्यों ये हुआ, काश तू ऐसे आए जैसे कोई दुआ, तू रूह की राहत है, तू मेरी इबादत है, मुझको हीरा दे दे, कसमें देवा दे दे, मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे, दिल को ठिकाने दे, ना ये बहाने दे, ख्वाबों की बारिशों को मौसम के पैमाने दे, अपने करम कीन कर दाए, कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहे, सुन रहा रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तुम, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं। Thank you everyone.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Tell me,
Outstanding. Big round of applause.
do you understand Hindi and Urdu very well?
Chaitrika?
We are not able to hear you.
Yeah.
Mute Aira, Surya.
Are you able to hear?
No, she's not on mute.
We are not able to
Chaitrika,
hear
can
you.
you hear us?
The song was coming beautifully.
Chaitrika, you are not on mute. You can speak. Chaitrika, we can't hear you, Chaitrika.
Yes, sir, 1 minute. The
Now
problem
we are able to hear
We
you.
can hear
Now
you.
we can hear you, Chaitrika.
I was asking you, do you understand Hindi and Urdu very well?
I can only understand Hindi, sir.
Okay. No, this song has a lot of Urdu words in it also. The reason I am asking you, the way you are gesticulating and the expression on your face, as if you are understanding the words right from within, you know. That's when the best singing performance happens. When you feel for the song, when you feel for the words that are there in the song. Hats off to you. Very well done. Very well done. Keep it up.
Excellent, Chaitrika. We
Thank
love
you, ma'am.
that. You know what? Both the songs were very difficult songs. So you are a singer, definitely. Way to go. And what's your future plans,
I'm
Chaitrika?
actually pursuing B Pharmacy in Geetam University right now. So, and singing and dancing is my passion. So I would like to become a singer if possibilities are there.
Okay. Very nice. All the best to you to achieve your goal. And sure you will meet with success because we can see a lot of passion and a lot of hard work into what you are doing, you know, because you were able to sing these very difficult songs, and that too without music, the accompaniment of music. So you are singing very beautifully. Thank you so much. Please do participate in any of our programs we have in future. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, and all the best to you. God bless. I would like to thank parents and grandparents of the three performers till now. Chalapati Garu, very nice of you, sir, to take this forward and carry it to your grandchildren. Fantastic. Good participation, sir. Now we have Dhanvi Rajanala's recorded performance, who is the granddaughter of Bhaktha Niranjan. So Surya will give us this thing. After that, we can go ahead with the next performance. Most of you, if it's possible, if y'all can put on your videos, it'll be nice, you know. So even if y'all are clapping, then the participants can see y'all clapping, because these kind of shows, generally it is more to show the applauding to the participants, that you know they feel happy with that. Okay, so we go ahead with the next one, Surya Garu.
The audio is not good, no?
Sir, you can't hear the voice?
No, I could not hear. I could not hear.
What about Krishna madam?
We can hear Surya, but it's not, coordination is not too good. That's why I think probably we could hear it, but it was not clear, very clear.
You are saying that
Maybe you can play the next one.
Okay, 1 minute. I could see net connectivity is also good. That could be one reason. I am playing the other song.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Internet. So,
Yeah, that was Snigdha Varanasi for you. And she is daughter of Jagan. And Jagan, are you there today? And she performed Kuchipudi. It was so beautiful. Tell Snigdha, it was very good, Jagan. Thank you so much for recording and sending us. Surya, do we play the Dhanvis?
yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. After that, we'll go ahead. Jagan is not joined us today.
Jagan is
he
here.
there? Okay.
Jagan
Jagan,
has
would you like
joined,
to
but
say something? Okay. Maybe you go ahead, Surya.
Hello? Yeah, I'm here. Sorry.
Yeah,
I
Jagan.
was
Yeah.
just in the car.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, your photos also
Can't hear
taken
any
in the
sound.
car. Yeah.
No,
Fantastic, Jagan. Your daughter did very well. Please share our appreciation to her.
definitely. She is in the class today because today she
Yeah,
is
I
having
know,
the class school.
I know. But nice of you to share the video.
Thank you. But the only thing is the sound is not coming. Any problems?
Yeah, it is not. Yeah, it's not coming too good. So we don't know I think probably we should have had a rehearsal of this. Yeah, I mean, the coordination with her movements and the song and all was a little bit. It was like a sort of.
the only reason could be internet connectivity.
Must be.
This happens to most of our video sharing. Actually, I request Barlagaru to we should, because it needs a good connectivity on both of our sides.
Okay.
So better to avoid. We will now. I am sharing the another video.
Yes, go ahead. If anybody would like to say something about the Kuchipudi, Surya, before you play, so that Jagan can share with his daughter.
Yeah, Snigdha has done well, and she has all qualities of a professional dancer. She's really reminded me of Mallika Sarabhai, our IIM Ahmedabad alumnus, alumna who became a world famous dancer. Leaving her professional career, she adopted dancing and she became a world-class dancer. And I pray that Snigdha has got all qualities and she would become no less than Mallika Sarabhai. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Surya. Yeah, we'll go ahead.
तुम सीधा बैठना इधर है।
Oh, wow. That was beautiful. That was simply beautiful, Dhanvi. Bhakta Niranjan Garu, please thank Dhanvi for entertaining us. It was beautiful. And such a long song. She remembered each and every word, and so beautifully she pronounced each and every word. And I think Dr. Barlana will talk about the tal and the ragam and whatever it is, but so beautiful, my God. Actually, I think Surya, we should have put this for the prayer song, you know. She was so beautiful and she really brought in so much of serenity and lovely atmosphere. And see the confidence, you know, love that little hand going, tapping on her thigh and, you know, going with the ragam. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Dhanvi. Bhakta Niranjan Garu, please convey to Tanvi. It was beautiful. And now I would like to request Dr. Barla. I think Mr. Doble has some meeting, so he is gone, but he'll be back. Dr. Barla and others, please, one after the other can speak.
Nothing, only one comment, not take much time. Dhanvi's got a wonderful pitch. One of the most important qualities of singer is the Shruti. Dhanvi, you have a wonderful Shruti of a very high pitch. You can raise the voice to a high level. This is a very difficult song actually. And most of the singers sing it in the lower pitch, but you have sung it in the right pitch. And even when you go up, you are able to maintain the Shruti. And God bless you, Nana. It's a wonderful thing. Compliments to parents and grandparents. Nandan Garu, really done well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Barla. Anybody else would like to say? Mr. Jogarao?
I have a problem with the audio here. I couldn't hear at all. I could see only the picture.
How sad, how sad. Oh, it was beautiful, sir.
Yeah.
I mean,
know,
children of that age, you know, remembering songs, such a long song and
Correct,
singing
correct.
so beautifully. Oh my God, it's a pleasure. It's a feast to the ears, you know.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
really proud. I mean, the grandparents and parents must be so proud of such children. Apart from their studies, they take interest, you know, in this extracurricular kind of activity, and hats off. We are going to have a lot of artists who, you know, in our old age, we are going to look and say, oh, we know them. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Thank you so much. And I think we'll go ahead. We have now B. Shri Sarvesh. Yeah, Sarvesh, introduce yourself. And I think, oh, Sarvesh is son of Mr. Ramesh and Swarna, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, nice, nice. Please go ahead. Introduce yourself and then you can.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarvesh. I'm the son of Mrs. Swarna Lakshmi and Mr. Ramesh from marketing department. Are you guys able to hear?
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
Sarvesh, are you doing another one for us?
Okay, I'm doing another one.
Thank you.
Done, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarvesh. That was very, very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Love the intensity of your, your involvement, the way you are enjoying every strumming that you are doing. Very beautiful. The
Thank you, ma'am.
expression-
Thank you so much.
All the best. I know you're still learning, but all the best to you. You're going you're going to be great someday. Just pursue, keep pursuing. That's all. Everything. That's what happens. Just focus. Very nice. Thank you so much for entertaining us. And Sarvesh is from Jubilee Hills Public School, and he's in the 10th standard. And his future goals, you'll want to know, people. He says robotic engineer. Forget about strumming his guitar, but he wants to be a robotic engineer, which is very great. So we look forward to that, and we wish you all success
Thank you,
in
ma'am.
all your endeavors. Please, thank you so much for entertaining us. Thanks for being with us. And next time we have a show, please join us. Okay.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks to your parents, and I'm sure they will support you in this endeavor of yours. Anybody, Dr. Barla?
Yeah, he's able to catch up. Sarvesh is able to catch up the rhythm very well. What we call Bani. Every song there is a overall composition which is important. He is able to catch that, and we could see it coming through in his playing. So it's a wonderful Nana, Sarvesh. You're catching up very well. All the best. God bless you. Compliments to parents, Ramesh and Swarna, and
Thank
your grandparents. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
People, you all can, show your hands so that we know. Swarna, excellent. Thank you so much. Participation, the parents taking interest and making the children participate, that itself is really, it's making us very proud.
Thank you so much, Krishna Garu.
And I'm sure Mr. G. Satyanarayana is watching him and feeling very, very happy, And I can see some of his resemblance in your son. God bless. Thank you. Thank you
Yes,
so
thank
much.
you.
We'll go ahead, and now who we have? Wow, we have P. Pranati, who's daughter of Surya. So Surya is always on the show, and now we have his daughter on the show, and we look forward to you. Please go ahead. Pranati?
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు ప్రణతి. మా నాన్నగారి పేరు సూర్యనారాయణ. మా అమ్మగారి పేరు రాజీ గారు. మా సంగీతం గురుగారి పేరు ఐశ్వర్య గారు. అచ్యుతం కేశవం కృష్ణ దామోదరం రామనారాయణం జానకీ వల్లభం. అచ్యుతం కేశవం కృష్ణ దామోదరం రామనారాయణం జానకీ వల్లభం. कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान काते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों के तरह तुम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं. Thank you.
Wow, Pranati, beautiful. That was fantastic, fantastic. You know, you look so beautiful. You're dressed so beautifully, and I love your name, Pranati. Beautiful. And your song is like, you know, like your name, so beautiful. You look so beautiful, and you look so wonderful in that lovely environment over there with all greenery at the back of you. Thank you so much. You sang so well, and that medley, that was so beautiful. You know, we also understood. So you said last time, you know, how I know Telugu, how will you all understand? But you made us understand everything with singing in Hindi. Oh my God, it was too good. Thank you so much. And you are already learning. Yes, you are already learning songs. So definitely, you know, the next time we have, you will have something more for us. Oh, it was really beautiful, Pranati. Thank you so much. Thanks, Surya and your wife. Thank you, mom and dad. Rajeshwari, you said, na? Yeah?
Yeah, we call her Raji, so she found
Raji,
her
oh
name.
yeah, okay. Thanks, Surya and Raji.
Thank
Very,
you.
very beautiful. Thank you so much. You know, this is, I think, one of the best Zoom sessions we are having, you know.
Yes.
Making us all so full of life and so happy. Thank you, children. So, Dr. Badla, please go ahead.
Pranavi means the first sound God has created. When this universe was created, before Pranavi there was no sound. The entire universe was without any dhvani. The first dhvani which came into this universe God had given is called Pranavanadam. This name is so important and so gracious, so great. Whenever you hear, you really go into a sublime universe. So, wonderful name. First of all, compliments to the parents for giving her such a great name. The second is that her voice is a stone-like voice. She's got Padunu antaru. In Telugu, we call the sharpness. Padunu. That is there in her voice. Only Lata Mangeshkar has that. Among the singers, only Lata Mangeshkar has that stone-like thing in her voice, and she would become a great singer. She has to be trained. She would learn all these departments of singing. One of the greatest singers. God bless you, Nana. Pranavi, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Jogara, please go ahead.
Yeah, Pranavi, you've done a wonderful job here. This is one of my favorite bhajans and I love it. And the way you sang, it's superb. And thanks to your parents that they are encouraging you. And I'm sure with more learning and more, classes from your teacher, you will do a wonderful job. All the best and God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Big round of applause for Pranavi.
Thank you, sir.
We go ahead now. Welcome, dear. We go ahead with Ujjwala. He'll give us a vocal, and he's from Bhadachalam Public School. So now, from henceforth, whoever perform will be from Bhadachalam Public School. 3 cheers to them. Ujjwala, please introduce yourself and put on your video, audio, and go ahead.
My name is Ujjwala. I am from Bhadrachalam Public School, 5th E, Karnataka Sangeetam. I'm learning Karnataka Sangeetam. Time required 3 minutes. Mahaganapatim manasa swarami. Mahaganapatim manasa swarami. Vasishtha Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim manasa swarami. Mahadeva Sutam Guru Guhanutam. Mahadeva Sutam Guru Guhanutam. Marakoti Prakasham Shantam. Marakoti Prakasham Shantam. Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam. Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam. Mushika Vahana Modaka Priyam. Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam. Mushika Vahana Modaka Priyam. Papa Magama Papa Risari Sapama Garipa Dari Sari Gama Marisari Sani Pama Sani Pama Risari Sasani Pama Marisari. Mahaganapatim manasa swarami. Mahaganapatim manasa swarami. Thank you, ma'am.
Fantastic. Very beautiful, Ujjwala. It was really very good. See, you're learning now, no? After some years, you'll be a singer and we'll be watching you. Okay? That was very beautiful. So, the ragas and all Dr. Barlal talked about, but, this in between Papa, something you did see, it was so beautiful. It's exactly what you learn, and then that helps you to sing many more songs, isn't it? Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yes, we liked it very much. Thank you so much. Thank you to your parents. And thank you, Bhadrachalam Public School. Ma'am, we would like to see you, ma'am. See, the parents are behind all this, Thank you so much. Very nice. And we are feeling so proud that, Bhadrachalam Public School child is singing for us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I think all parents, whoever have performed now, all the children are being encouraged by the parents, which is very important. Very nice. So all the best to you, Ujjwala. And we look forward to you participating in any of the sessions we have henceforth. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to have you. God bless. Yes, Dr. Barla.
Thank you, Rana, Ujjwala. So, Ujjwala, it's very good. And such a difficult song, you are able to pick up so well. Sarigamalu chala baga cheppinaru. అండ్ సరిగమల తర్వాత గణపతి అందుకోవడం అనేది చాలా చక్కగా చేసినారు. రియలీ ఇట్ ఇస్ గుడ్. మహాగణపతి స్మరామి మహాగణపతి. ఎంత బాగా అన్నారంటే రియలీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ సో వెల్ యాజ్ యూ హవ్ డన్, బట్ చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది నాన్న. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. పేరు పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ పేరు నిలబెడతారు మీరు నిజంగా. బాగా నేర్చుకోండి. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ పేరెంట్స్. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ అమ్మా. మంచిగా నేర్పండి పాపకి. రియలీ గుడ్. We are so glad that they have come on our invitation and children are doing so well. All the best to the public school, principal garu, teachers and parents. All the best, Anna. Ujjwala.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ujjwala. All the best to you in pursuing your goal as a singer. And Ujjwala says her future goals are that she wants to become a singer, isn't it? Very nice, very nice. Keep on practicing. You have to do your morning, what is it called? Every morning, what do? There's something known as practice.
Riyaz.
Yeah. Okay. So all the
Sadhana.
best to you. Sadhana. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't know. In Hindi it is called something.
In music, usually they say sadhana.
Sadhana. Okay. Go ahead with your sadhana and do very well in life. Okay. In your singing. We will go ahead. Now again, we have somebody from Bhadrachalam Public School. His name is also something like Bhadrashan. B. Bhadrashan. Correct? No. Sorry. It is Bhavadarshan. Correct?
Bhavadarshan.
Yeah, Bhavadarshan. So he'll give us Carnatic music. Please go ahead, sir.
Good morning to everyone, ma'am. I am Bhavadarshan of class 10th from Bhadrachalam Public School. I am son of Ravindran and Indra. I am going to sing 2 songs. First from Tyagaraja Kirtana, Raminjuva, and the second song from Saraswati Geetam, Varavina. Raminjuva Ravarura Ragutama Nenu Vina. Raminjuva Ravarura Ragutama Nenu Vina. Raminjuva Ravarura సమాదిష్ట గుణగణ సకల భువన జనులలో. సమాదిష్ట గుణగణ సకల భువన జనులలో. రమింజువారవరురా రఘుతమా నెను వినా. రమింజువారవరురా రఘుతమా నెను వినా. రమింజువారవరురా రమాయణే రమ్యనే శమామము. రమాయణే సర్వమూలస రామ్యనే శమామము. రమాయణే సర్వమూలస తమరవరుల కప్పెను త్యాగరాజ సన్నుత. తమరవరుల కప్పెను త్యాగరాజ సన్నుత. రమింజువారవరురా రఘుతమా నిను వినా. రమింజువారవరురా రఘుతమా నిను వినా. రమింజువారవరురా
Thank you. The second one is continued.
Next song.
Yes, I will continue, ma'am.
Yeah,
The second song is from Saraswati Geetam, Varavina.
Please go ahead.
Varavina mridupani managuhalochana rani. Shurushirabam paraveni shuranuta kalyani. Varavina mridu నిరుపమ శుభకులలోల నిరత జయ ప్రదశీల నిరుపమ శుభకులలోల నిరత జయ ప్రదశీల వరదా ప్రియ రంగనాయకి వాంఛిత బలదాయకి వరదా ప్రియ రంగనాయకి వాంఛిత బలదాయకి సరసీజాసన జనని జయ 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 సరసీసాజన జనని జయ 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 వరవీణ మృదుపాణి వనరుగలోచన రాణి శురుశిర బంపరవీణి శురనుద కళ్యాణి వరవీణ మృదుపాణి వనరుగలోచన రాణి శురుశిర బంపరవీణి శురనుద కళ్యాణి నిరుపమ శుభకులలోల నిరత జయ ప్రదశీల నిరుపమ శుభకులలోల నిరత జయ ప్రదశీల వరదా ప్రియ రంగనాయకి వాంఛిత బలదాయకి వరదా ప్రియ రంగనాయకి వాంఛిత బలదాయకి సరసీజాసన జనని జయ 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 సరసీజాసన జనని జయ 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 వరవీణ మృదుపాణి.
Thank you very much, Bhavadarshan. This was fantastic.
Listen, I will just
Yes,
make
please,
one
please
comment.
go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, Bhavadarshan, you're really true to your name. Your name means the one who shows the God, who gives the darshan of the God. You really give the darshan of the God through your song. It's really good. And you have a very good pitch, like Dhanvi I mentioned. You also have ability to raise the pitch to the fourth level and so on. So that's a good quality that you have. And in your song, I observe all departments of a song you have precisely followed. Agam, Dhanam, everything that you have done so well. You have all the qualities to become a great singer. God bless you, Nana. Take care. I'll leave a few. I'll come back to Subal again. God bless you, Nana.
Yes.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Badla.
Yeah, good morning, madam.
Bhavadarshan, simply fantastic. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah, you were so clear. You knew exactly what you wanted to sing, and you can make out that you are sincerely practicing. You have so much of passion. You will go places definitely. And yeah, very, very good. Thank you so much. And it's a matter of pride, you know, that Bhadrachalam Public School children take interest in singing also. And congratulations to you and to your parents. And thanks to the parents for taking it forward and, you know, making you pursue what you like in life. It was simply beautiful. And your face itself gives so much of, you know, the sincerity with which you're doing it is shown on your face, and we are enjoying just watching you. And along with that, your song is so beautiful. Thank you very much. Very clear, very beautiful, very stable voice. And you will do very well. Continue your focus. And thanks to the parents.
Yeah, good morning, madam.
Good morning, Ravindra.
I am Ravindra, madam, father of Bhavadarshan.
Very nice, very nice. Please go ahead. You can say what you want.
Okay.
And yeah.
He is last 1 year, 1.5 year only is learning Telugu. Basically, is Tamil and English. Now the Telugu is learning from Telangana Public School.
Okay.
And he tried to sing in Telugu songs.
Very beautiful.
His last only is taken a lot of efforts. Mainly his mother, Indra, is supporting her.
Can
It's
see
on
it.
to-
Yes, can see it.
Because I am
Generally,
out of
the
station.
parents are busy in working. I mean, the
Yeah.
father is busy working, and the mother is always there to, take things forward for the
Now,
children. Very
now
nice.
I am in Telangana. They are singing from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. From there, he is attending this program. Thank you, madam.
Very nice. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thanks, Bhavadarshan. And
Yeah.
a big round of applause. Yes, a big round of applause to all our participants. As I said earlier, this was one of our best shows, and we look forward to next time that we have a show, this kind of a Zoom call. We will look forward to all the participants to join again and make it a little more, we'll have some more singers and some more dancers and talent show. Anybody would like to, do mimicry or whatever. And I would like to share with you all that Bhavadarshan's, goal is to become an IAS officer. A big goal, yes. You need
Christine,
to
can
work
I say
very hard.
something?
Yes, please, sir. Please go ahead.
No, all the
Thanks for
performances
coming
are
back.
completed?
Yes, this is the last.
Okay. I'm sorry I had to go off the video and audio for a while. Ravindran sir is there. But I watched all of them. Because I'm attending another Zoom conference which I cannot avoid. So in 1 year, I'm having the plug from one Zoom call and the other one from other call. So whichever is interesting, and most of the time I'm actually watching these, but I have to speak once in a while in the other call. So I kept my audio and video on mute for a while, So compliments to all the children, excellent performances. And if I could not comment on the individual one, please don't take me amiss. All performances were very, very laudable, and all you guys have a real bright future. But one thing I want to emphasize, it's a great thing to pursue your passion like this, but at the same time give equal importance to your studies as well. Because to be totally successful in life, you need a balance of both. So that is what I wanted to conclude with. Thank you, Christine.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. I'm sure the children got the message from a great leader of our company. So surely pursue your studies also in line with this. And thank you so much, children. Anybody else would like to perform? That's what Dr. Barla said, that if any more students would like to perform, any children, can you please tell us so that if there's nobody else, then we'll close the session. And anybody in the audience, would you like to say a few words? Please unmute yourselves and go ahead. Because we need to encourage these children to take their dreams forward.
Yeah, I request Bhavadarshan's mother
Yes.
to share his.
Sure. Please go ahead.
Hello, namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Please go ahead, ma'am.
He's learning Carnatic music from 3 years, ma'am. Then little bit break. Now he is again continuing with the singing. He's very interested in this Carnatic songs.
Very nice. Yeah, he's singing very well. And sure, with your support, he will definitely go places.
Madam, Ganeshan.
Yes, please,
Hello?
Ganeshan. Please go ahead, Ganeshan.
Please. Hello, Ravindran. You have made your son with Telugu songs, with the Carnatic song.
Yes, sir.
Beautifully you have made with Indra.
Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, sir. Fine,
Fine, sir.
Indra, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. All our best wishes. You are from Coimbatore to Telangana, and now you have learned Telugu and sing a song is very, very nice.
Just now we are learning.
Thank you, sir.
Just now learning.
Okay.
Thank you for your compliments, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ravindran and ma'am. And thank you, Bhavadarshan. And thank you all children. Every child, from D. Sai, Dilip Rajkumar, G. Sai, Sri Varshini, D. Chaitrika, Dhanvi. Of course, we had on recorded Then we had Sarvesh with us and Pranati and Snigdha again on video. Ujvala and Bhavadarshan, thank you so much. You all have brightened up our Sunday today.
Thank you.
And thanks to all the audience who have joined us. And in our next, as and when we have the next program, we look forward to many more audience, because without audience, there's no performance. So we look forward to, we have to carry this forward for all our children. And they've done a beautiful job today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Surya, for that support. And before I sign off, I'll hand over to Surya to thank the children and go ahead with his vote of thanks. If anybody else wants to say something, please tell now only, because then Surya will take over. Thank you, Mr. Doble, for coming back. And Dr. Barla has excused himself because he's joining another Zoom call. Surya, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
First of all, thank to all. We must thank all children who came forward with a lot of confidence to present themselves. Today, the reason why I asked my daughter to present herself is to leave that small inhibitions what they carry to present themselves. So these platforms will help them to improve their confidence levels. That is one thing I thought. And thanks to parents for taking your time. I know how much it takes to prepare them unless they are very much habituated. So thanks to parents as well. Thanks to Pradeep sir for giving his time. And Pradeep sir, if you are online next week session, I request from you, because exactly we will be completing 1 year of these sessions. April 26th, 2020, we started these sessions. April 25th, we will be completing 1 year. Request you to give your time next week on any topic that you like. And thanks to Barla Garu for relentlessly, untiringly, he's pushing us and organizing these things. Thanks to Barla Garu. And thanks to Jagan for giving us this Zoom session and promptly giving us videos as well. Thanks to Krishna Garu for organizing things, putting things in order. Thank you very much. Sincere thanks to all participants and encouraging students. Thank you all.
Thank you, Surya. Fantastic show.
Yeah, today's
Next
session
time
is
it'll
one of
be
the
even more
best.
better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you all.
The children's. Yeah. Thanks, Surya. Thanks, everybody. Have a nice Sunday.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks for making our Sunday beautiful.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you. Thank you, Surya.
Thank you, Ganesha. Thanks, children.
Thank you, Krishna Garu.
Thank you.
Thank you, Surya.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Swarna, madam.
Thank you, Andi
Closing
Ganeshan.
Okay, I'm closing the session.
Okay,
This
Surya.
this
Thanks.
session we
Bye-bye.
closed on time. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you, Surya.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Krishna
Bye,
Garu,
kids. Bye.
Surya Garu.
Welcome.
Thanks, Sachin Garu.
Welcome.